Hey guys, this is Daniel. I'm going to go over my trades with you really quick for today. I had a difficult day today. I could not get a follow through on any of my trades. I traded 3 tickers today. The first one was Netflix. It opened weak here, and then on this pullback, I went short, small size, planning to add more at VWAP. It did pull back to VWAP. I went short again to add more in this area. I just ended up getting a bad fill, which brought my cost basis to this area here. I had my stop loss above VWAP. I wanted to give it a little bit of room to see what it would do. When this candle broke down here, I moved my stop loss to VWAP because if this wouldn't have had follow through here and it would have regained VWAP, there's a good chance that it could have gone to the upside. My target was low of day here and it just could not hit it. I had an order set here right above low of day. It came down, just missed it. So I ended up covering a piece here, and then I got stopped out with the rest here at break even when it broke above VWAP. The second ticker I traded was IBM. IBM opened strong here, and then it started holding this 50 moving average for support. So I went long here. I put my stop loss below this candle. I sold a piece here at this daily level. I really wanted to get up to high pre-market. I just could not get there. And then when it started to lose it here, I got out and I actually flipped my position here because of this candle here on the 5-minute chart. This is a really weak candle. I really wanted to get down to this daily level that we had down here. I covered up my first piece here when it started to lose VWAP, and then I got stopped out at break even. Then when it broke down below VWAP again, I went short again. I put my stop loss above VWAP, and it just didn't have any follow through, so I stopped myself out at break even. The third ticker I traded was J&J. J&J was hanging out here above VWAP. When it lost VWAP here, I went short. I put my stop loss just above VWAP. I covered a few pieces down here towards this daily level that I had, and then it started to hold this level here. So I covered another piece here, and then I got out with the rest of my position here when when it broke this 5-minute when I made a new 5-minute high. And those are my trades for today. Have a good day.